In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a recovery partition in Windows 11. First, right-click the Start button and select Disk Management. Go ahead and maximize the window so we can see everything clearly. You'll notice I currently have one recovery partition. Windows recommends having at least one, and we're going to create a new one next to the D drive. Right-click on the D drive and select Shrink Volume. In the Shrink Amount field, type 2000. That's 2000 megabytes, the recommended size for Windows 11. Then click Shrink and wait a moment for it to finish. And there it is. You can see about 2 gigabytes of unallocated space has appeared next to the D drive. Right-click the unallocated space and choose New Simple Volume. Click Next twice to move through the wizard. On the drive letter screen, select Do Not Assign a Drive Letter or Drive Path. This is important. Then click Next. On the Format screen, give it a label. I'll type Recovery Partition. This is optional, but it helps you identify it later. Click Next. Then Finish. Now we need to configure this partition using Command Prompt. Search for Command Prompt in the Start menu. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. All commands are in the description below. Just copy and paste them one by one. Type Diskpart. Press Enter. As I only have Disk 0 available, type Select Disk 0. Press Enter. Now let's view all partitions on this disk. Type List Partition. Press Enter. Look for your new 2000 megabyte partition in the list. In my case, it's partition 6. Yours may be different. Note the number, then type Select Partition 6. Press Enter. Now we'll apply 2 settings to turn this into a proper recovery partition. For that, I have saved 2 commands in my notepad. I'll leave it in the description as well so you can just copy and paste them. They are the same for all users, so no worries. The first command is GPT Attributes equals, and then paste the command you just copied. Press Enter. Now the second command, type Set ID equals, and then copy and paste the other command. Press Enter. Once both commands succeed, type Exit. Press Enter. Still in Command Prompt, run this final command, reagentc/enable. Press Enter. Wait a moment and you should see Operation Successful. That's it. Your recovery environment is now active and linked to the new partition. And that's how you create a recovery partition in Windows 11. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe for more Windows tips, and share it with someone who might need it. I'll see you in the next one.